Shooter. All you Andrew-aholics out there, and we got your new favorite addiction, Red Lightning, here with me. Playing some Mario Kart. We got 2 of these Grand Prix left, so special morning edition. Yeah.
We're gonna make it.
I'm playing with the characters I battled with last time, just because I want to go fast.
And I got the formula.
He's got his traditional same characters as always.
Someone here broke my record. His name is Broderick Brown. I'm gonna put it out there, and I am training to get back my record. So I have to use my studs. Even if it means no mercy, Philip Dembowski.
Yeah. I showed no mercy to Peach and Daisy right there.
Oh!
Yeah, but thanks for watching, you people who are watching. We enjoy getting views. I mean, we enjoy playing even if you don't watch, but
Yeah.
you know,
It's bonus.
it's just always nice to see.
Some appreciate good work.
Yeah. We got the 3rd episode of Andrew Asks up finally. If you guys want to check that out, it's some good stuff. We'll be filming some VVW on Sunday. Look forward to that. Not much else planned for this week. Yeah! Woo!
And gotta give it. I made a mistake.
First place!
I almost fell off and I screwed myself. That's why.
Right there.
Yeah, that's why. I was trying to be cool and do some drifting.
Yeah. I saw you go almost over the edge.
Yeah,
of the
that's
bridge. I was like, what are you doing, but
Trying to have too much fun, if you know what I mean.
yeah. Oh my!
No, he was just pissed.
That's what I guess they're not happy getting beaten by 2 children.
Oh, they would put up in
No!
if I.
Ah, get out of the grass, man.
I'm gonna have to check out some of your stuff over the summer.
Oh, yeah. Owie, 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 oh, my baby bottom. Oh, that hurt so bad. That would kill. Absolutely kill.
These days are fast today. This is crazy.
Get out of here, Birdo and Toad.
Because I gotta be faster. Oh.
Yeah! Oh no! Yellow lightning!
The wrong kind. You know what I mean?
Oh man, I swerved out of the way. I thought it was a Goomba, but it was a mushroom.
You're small.
Yeah, everything was. I mean, I'm small normally, but.
Oh shoot! I hate that.
Oh, come on! I don't much care for this course. It's kind of just too simple for me.
This course?
Yeah.
Oh.
Another! Oh yeah, oh yeah.
That might just screw me over.
Here comes Andrew. I missed. I was gonna try and get some boxes.
Oh, I thought that was a mushroom!
Yeah! Woo!
You.
Oh!
Oh! He got screwed. Oh. Procrastinated just a tad bit last night, Andrew.
Happy birthday to Zach! If you're watching this video, I'm sure you are, because you probably put some comment about, oh, you suck, or something like that, you know. Oh no!
Zach. Do I know Zach?
Zach would be my best man in my wedding, Zach.
Oh.
Well, no, you don't. You haven't.
thought you thought it was that Gainsman.
No.
He has his own YouTube page. You guys supporting each other.
Oh my, that was dangerously close. Wait, Wario and Waluigi had a chainsaw?
No way.
Or did it just run past
Oh,
and
it
they
just
had
ran past, yeah.
I was like, what the heck?
They get bombs and chainsaw. Okay, I gotta get back to my dominance. Focus and right.
I'm gonna take those stupid princesses. I'm gonna kill them.
Oh.
Yeah! Oh no! Oh no, how embarrassing.
That's
That's
not
pretty
too
bad.
many people fall off there, but
I tried. Yeah, that gave me an advantage over Donkey Kong. Until he plowed into me. Ah!
that was mine.
I just get hit by like the super slow.
I hate that one.
Cause
And I did that because I knew people coming up those stairs would just.
Yeah, eat poop! Get pooped down!
I second that.
Why is Peach crying because she just got pooped down? Second place is calling my name. Little baby.
Remember when you said 7th place climb?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you last. Rainbow Road.
Oh yeah.
Good times. Oh shoot, I got stuck. I'm not first this time.
Yeah,
If that makes any sense.
you're definitely getting first.
Have you got any big spinies?
Woo! What?
Have you got any big spinies or those shells?
Yeah, twice.
This is a fun one. I've been looking forward to this race for a couple of weeks now.
If I win this race, I win the whole thing. That'll be a moment to remember
A little send-off gift.
before the big weekend.
I don't know why I just do it backwards.
Ha! Oh my.
I think if you get second, you win too.
Really?
No, I don't know. If we tie, I get heads over you because I'm the one who got first last.
Oh, really?
If that makes any sense.
Yeah. Oh no!
I did not screen peek.
Right. No such thing.
Just want to clarify. I knew you were behind me.
Ah! Chain chomp coming!
So I just hit them.
I've hit them like 3 times with the red shell. 4
Make it
times.
4. Yeah.
Oh, I missed that one. Ah! Those stupid
Man, I just-
princesses!
Laying on DK and Diddy.
Yeah! Get past that! Princess turds!
Meanwhile, I am cruising for a bruising. Fun fact, I have some Team Beach.
The final lap of the final race of the second to final Mario Kart
Yeah.
video.
I just peppered you coming up, so I'll get through it.
Oh no! I got hit by my own shell.
Huh.
It's gonna be a close one.
That's alright.
This is gonna be a close one. Oops.
Oh.
Should have thrown it backwards.
Yeah, what?
Second place! Woo!
Andrew's getting better.
Yeah, yeah. And the maps are getting easier.
Well, I mean,
Oh, it's a tie!
And who did it give it to? Yeah, and they
You call.
What? I think Aaron's a true winner here.
Yeah! It's because I'm in the champ's chair.
That's it.
Alright. Thanks for watching, folks. Leave a like if you liked it. Dislike if you didn't. I don't care. Comment your suggestions for more videos. Comment if you liked it. Comment whatever gibberish you want to comment. Next week we will have the final Grand Prix video and
See if Andrew can beat me.
see if I can get first.
Officially.
Have a crazy day.
Bye.